What's up, internet? Audi DIY guys, auto enthusiasts, whatever. Got some updates on the B5, the AEB. You can see that we're going to be replacing the turbo, swapping it from this K03 over to the Borg-Warner K04. Just a little bit bigger, not much. It doesn't really make that much power, but it's time for a replacement to be made, and if I've got to spend the money, might as well go to a K04 instead of a K03. Basically, I've just disconnected all of these hoses and everything from the front. Gotta undo, or that one's already undone, but gotta pull that out. Gotta relieve these lines. I think this one's the coolant. I think that this one is a high pressure oil line. Then we've got these bolts, and we might be in a little better shape. But if you guys want to see how I put it back together, what goes on, how it runs when it's finally swapped and done. One kind of important thing to remember when you're changing a turbo on your car is after you've got oil and coolant and everything in it, before you start it, you want to pull your fuse for the fuel pump, and you want to crank the engine over to get your oil pressure built up. Also, you probably want to make sure that your timing belt is all good, no missing teeth, no worn teeth or cracks, because otherwise the new turbo is going to eat a bunch of valves and it's going to cost you more money than it already does anyway. So, if there's anything in particular you guys want to see before I get it all the way out or while I'm putting it back together, let me know and I'll record it or whatever. Like and subscribe if you want to see more. Also, I won't be able to start it up right now because I'm still waiting for this fuel system line, but once that gets here, we'll be able to start it up and it should be all good. So I'll definitely record that and keep you guys posted.